Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best curtain stand is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any content creator looking to elevate their background aesthetics, transforming any space into a professional-looking studio with ease, allowing for seamless setup and takedown for dynamic shoots. Number 5. EMART 10 by 7 feet Adjustable Photo Studio Backdrop Stand. Our backdrop stand features a retractable crossbar, allowing you to easily adjust the width from 5.3 feet to 10 feet. This flexibility ensures it can accommodate various backdrop sizes for your creative needs. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy, this stand offers adjustable height from 2.6 feet to 7 feet. Its tripod base provides exceptional stability, preventing shakes even at its maximum extension. Included clamps and sandbags help secure your backdrop. Fill the sandbags with sand or other weights to ensure the stand remains stable, especially when hanging heavier items. This kit is designed for convenience. It's lightweight and compact when stored in the included carry bag, making it easy to transport and store anywhere. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including photography, video shoots, parties, and home decorations. It's your go-to solution for creating the perfect background. Please note that the crossbar may bend slightly under heavy load due to gravity. We recommend not hanging objects over 10 pounds and using the sandbags for added stability, especially in windy conditions. What we like? This one features a retractable crossbar for flexible width adjustments. Its sturdy tripod base ensures stability even when fully extended. If you're looking for a versatile stand that can adapt to various backdrop sizes and needs, this is a great choice for studio or event use. What people say. The kit comes with 2 adjustable tripods, 2.6 feet to 7 feet, and a retractable crossbar, 5.3 feet to 10 feet, giving you flexibility to fit different backdrop sizes. The aluminum alloy build feels durable but remains light enough to carry easily. Assembly takes less than 5 minutes, and everything fits nicely in the included carrying bag, which is compact and convenient for travel or storage. Number 4. HPUSN 10-foot x 7 feet Adjustable Backdrop Stand. This is a complete backdrop stand kit, perfect for all your photography and videography needs. It's lightweight and easy to set up, making it ideal for events like parties, weddings, and family gatherings. You can easily adjust the height of the stand anywhere between 2.3 feet and 7 feet. The crossbar is also telescopic, allowing you to set the width anywhere from 5.2 feet up to 10 feet. Constructed from a durable and strong aluminum alloy, this frame is built to last. Its adjustable leg frames ensure stability and quick setup for any situation. It comes with 6 background clips to securely hold your canvas, muslin, or paper backgrounds. This ensures you can create the perfect backdrop for any event. For added stability, 2 sandbags are included. Simply fill them with heavy items to weigh down the frame and prevent any unwanted movement during your shoot. Transporting your backdrop stand is made easy with the included travel bag. Take it anywhere you need a professional setup. What we like? It boasts adjustable leg frames and a telescopic crossbar for easy setup and customization. This complete kit comes with everything you need, including sandbags and clips. If you need a reliable and adjustable backdrop stand for frequent use in photography, parties, or streaming, this option offers great convenience. What people say. It is a bit lightweight and easily flimsy once spread out bigger, but works great, easy to set up and take down. Se ha usado en diferentes ocasiones puede ser tan largo o tan corto como necesites de igual manera tan alto o bajo 100% recomendado fácil de guardar y empacar. It is very good quality and it's easy to install as well. Number 3. Aureday 10 by 7 feet Adjustable Photo Backdrop Stand Kit. This backdrop stand is an essential accessory for photography studios and event locations. It's perfect for holding backdrops and can also be used to display decorations like balloons and curtains for parties and weddings. Easily adjust the height from 2.3 to 7 feet and the width from 5 to 10 feet. This flexibility makes it ideal for any studio space and shooting requirements. Crafted from premium steel, this stand is built to last. It's sturdy enough to support various backdrops up to 11 pounds, ensuring stability during your shoots. The included clamps grip your backdrop tightly, preventing wrinkles for a seamless look. The sandbags provide extra stability, especially for outdoor use. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: stands, crossbars, clamps, sandbags, and a convenient carrying bag for easy transport. Enjoy peace of mind with our 12-month service support and parts replacement. Contact us if you have any questions about your purchase. What we like. This stand is built with dual heavy-duty steel stands and a 4-section crossbar for exceptional versatility. Its premium steel construction ensures durability and stability for hanging various backdrops. If you prioritize a robust and flexible support system for studio photography, weddings, or festival decorations, its sturdy build makes it a standout option. What people say. The telescopic poles and quick-release locks enable swift adjustments and secure locking, minimizing setup time and ensuring a hassle-free experience. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, the backdrop stand is robust yet lightweight, making it easy to transport and set up. It came in a compact carrying case and took less than 5 minutes to set up. It was sturdy even while they were stepping all over the backdrop. Number 2. UBeesize Starlink Mini Mount 2024. Introducing the UBeesize Starlink Mini Mount, designed specifically for your Starlink Mini dish. It's the perfect choice to ensure your satellite dish stays securely in place. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and ABS, this mount offers exceptional durability and stability. You can rely on it for frequent use to hold your mini antenna device. Setting up this mount is a breeze, requiring no extra tools or screws. Easily adjust the angle of your device with the ball joints for optimal satellite signal reception. With its adjustable clamping mechanism, it fits poles from 0.6 to 1.57 inches. Securely attach your Starlink Mini to RV ladders, camper roofs, boat guardrails, and more. This mount is compact and portable, making it easy to carry and install anywhere. Its convenient clamp mechanism allows for quick securing and repositioning, ideal for outdoor adventures. What we like. This mount is specifically designed for the Starlink Mini dish, offering high-quality aluminum alloy and ABS construction for durability. It features easy angle adjustment with ball joints for optimal signal reception. If you are an RV owner, camper, or boater looking for a secure and adjustable way to mount your Starlink Mini, this compact and portable solution is ideal. What people say. Build quality feels solid and it holds position well even when moving the camper. Setup was simple and it's been a really convenient solution for travel and camping. This tripod mount is a great addition for my Starlink Mini. It's sturdy, adjustable, and easy to set up. The 360 degrees tilt is a nice feature, allowing me to position the dish perfectly. It also folds down compactly, making it convenient for travel. Great for camping and RV trips. It is very stable. Whether it is placed on the table or held in the hand, there is no shaking during shooting. And its design is very simple and easy to use. It is easy to install and remove. Number 1. Fancierstudio TB30 Background Support System Kit. Introducing the Fancierstudio TB30, a versatile background support system designed for your creative needs. It offers adjustable height and width to accommodate various backdrops. Easily adjust the height from 3.5 feet to 8 feet and the width from 4.5 feet to 10 feet. This flexibility ensures it fits perfectly for any studio or location shoot. Crafted with lightweight aluminum, this system is easy to transport. A convenient carrying case is included, making it ideal for on-the-go photographers and videographers. Featuring solid safety legs, it provides a stable base for your backdrops. For added security, especially with active subjects, we recommend using gaffer tape or weight bags. Get professional-grade support without the high cost. This reliable background kit is perfect for both studio and location work, offering excellent value. What we like. This system offers adjustable height and width, constructed from lightweight aluminum for portability. It's a solid choice for both studio and location work without breaking the bank. If you need a functional and budget-friendly background support system for various events or shoots, this offers great value and ease of use. What people say. The stands were very easy to set up without pinching my fingers. They are spring-loaded to absorb any shock from inadvertent release. The 3 good pieces could be assembled to make a horizontal pole about 7 feet long, so I used this kit for an author portrait the next day. The kit worked very well, as expected. They were very stable, easy to adjust, and projected a professional appearance to the client. At 8 feet high and 10 feet across fully extended, you can comfortably fit a small group of people in front of this backdrop, depending on your lens, All you need is some material to drape or clip to the crossbar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.